And welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com.
We begin this evening with a developing story. The JPS has directed the O.U.R to reissue realistic August bills and reduce the bills for September.
The notice came from the Office of the Utilities Regulation O.U.R to the Jamaica Public Service Company Limited JPS earlier today.
In a statement, the O.U.R says the JPS should void bills issued in August where customers did not have electricity.
Additionally, it said the JPS must reduce customers' bills in the next billing period.
Now, it comes on the heels of what customers described as the massive and widespread increase in bills for August.
The JPS said the recent increase was primarily due to a higher fuel charge and higher billing exchange rate.
According to Energy Minister Darrell Vaz, who spoke on the development a short while ago on Radio Jamaica's Beyond the Headlines, there was a breach in the billing process.
Without going through the proper process. And therefore, as far as I'm concerned, it is not properly done. And therefore, those increases should be rolled back and the proper process followed, where they submit to the O.U.R vet and do their numbers and come up with the number that they think is a realistic number to indicate to the JPS. So this is a start of a whole new ballgame.
Now the O.U.R says an investigation is underway into the current billing complaints.
In other news.